Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Google Maps on Android in 2025. Whether you're navigating a new city, finding the quickest route home, or exploring local spots, Google Maps is your ultimate companion. Let's get started. This guide is packed with easy steps to make you a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Google Maps app installed on your Android device. If not, head to the Google Play Store, search for Google Maps, and download it for free. Once it's installed, open the app, and you'll see a clean interface with a search bar at the top. Type in your destination, like Eiffel Tower or your favorite coffee shop, and hit search. Google Maps will instantly show you options, including nearby locations and estimated travel times. Now, let's talk navigation. Tap on a location, and you'll get details like reviews, photos, and directions. To get step-by-step guidance, select the Directions button. Choose your mode of transport, driving, walking, biking, or public transit, and Google Maps will plot the best route. In 2025, you'll notice enhanced features like real-time traffic updates, AI-powered rerouting to avoid delays, and even eco-friendly route suggestions to reduce your carbon footprint. Don't forget about the cool extras. Swipe through layers to view satellite imagery, terrain, or traffic overlays. For a more immersive experience, try Street View. Just drag the yellow pegman icon onto the map. And if you're heading offline, download maps for specific areas so you can navigate without internet. Pro tip: use voice commands by saying, "Hey Google, navigate to place" for hands-free directions. One more thing. Customize your experience by saving favorite places, sharing your location with friends, or exploring AR features for precise walking directions. By now, you should be ready to conquer any adventure with Google Maps on Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.